Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tasty collard greens without meat. First, choose fresh, vibrant collard greens with firm stems for the best flavor. Next, wash them meticulously in cold water, perhaps 2 or 3 times, to ensure all dirt and grit are completely removed. Finally, trim away the tough central stems and chop the leaves into roughly 1-inch pieces, preparing them for cooking. To build a rich flavor base without meat, begin by sautéing finely diced onion and minced garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until softened. Then, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. For that essential smoky taste, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika or a few drops of liquid smoke. Now it's time to add your prepared collard greens to the flavorful simmering liquid. Gently push them down into the pot. They will wilt as they cook. Cover the pot and let them simmer on low heat for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Remember to stir them occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once your collard greens are perfectly tender, it's time for the final seasoning. Taste and adjust with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little kick. Serve these delicious, meat-free collard greens warm as a hearty and flavorful side dish. They pair wonderfully with many meals. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.